Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will build an Android app from zero that shows back details from the IFSC code. We will go very slowly, beginner friendly in part 1. I will create a project, make the screen in XML, add app strings, the internet permissions, and dependencies in part 2. We will write the Kotlin code and call the APIs. So let's get started. So how you can create the uh, project, right? So just go to this new new project. Okay, you need to select this empty activity. Okay, then next, and just give your project name here, but I already make that, so I'm not doing that. So you can put your file name if you want to set the name like IFSC bank details. So you can write there just IFSC bank details, and then set, and just make sure that your minimum SDK is above the 23, like 23 or higher. Your language is Kotlin, just select your language here, Kotlin, and just finish, and your project is started. But I already made it, so I am showing this screen, my project activity main.xml. So empty activity gives us one activity class and one layout file we can edit. If you accidentally picked a compose template, no worries, but I am using a XML here because it's extremely beginner friendly and visual. Okay, so let's build the UI in XML. So open your app, this is the open your, when you see your project is look like this, then open this, then app, and go to the main SRS, then main, then layout, and here activity main.xml. So when you open it, it's open here, and you need to write you need to replace what inside with the vertical linear layout and three widgets and edit text, a button, and a text view for results. So I will show you by doing live code. So let's start it. I You just need to replace everything with this. It's already here, you can see. Just put the tab, then encoding, take the UTF-8, you can see here, then press the enter, and let's start your linear layout. Then it's showing, let just remove that linear layout, then write the XML NS Android schema, Android is equal to double slash schemas dot android.com /apk /res/android. Then second XML and S. Then put the tools. You need to add the tools, that http://schema.android.com and /tools. So we add our tools. Then Android ID, let's put some ID here, @ plus ID /me. Okay, then enter. Then second Android and layout width, let's set the layout width with a match parent. Let's set the width match parent. Then let's set Android layout here. Match parent file fills the screen. This match parent fill the screen. Then let's set the height. Match parent. Then this match parent fill the screen, your width and height, we set it. Then gravity, then let's set the gravity center. Then Android. Then set orientation. Let's set the orientation. Orientation is vertical. So orientation vertical stacks children top to bottom. Then Android padding. Let's set the padding 20 dp. Okay, so gravity center keeps things centered, and padding 20 gives breathing room. Okay, so and last set the tool contacts dot main activity. Okay, Okay, now the edit text for IFSC input. Let's set that edit text. Okay, first let's set the Android ID. Is equal to @ plus ID / edit text. Then complete. Okay, then let's add the layout width with the match parent and height match parent. So match parent fill the screens, you know that. Then ID is how Kotlin find this view. Then let's set the Android main height. Okay, you have to make sure that do not do any little mistake. Okay, otherwise it's showing some errors. Then this main height accessible touch target. Okay, this is for accessible touch target. Then let's set the margin top, start and end. Margin top, let's set the margin top, it's 20 dp. Then Android margin top, then start starts at 32 dp. Then Android end margin end 32 dp. Then Android hint is equal to enter IFSC space code. Okay, so this is our hint. Then let's add input type. Input type text personal name. So that is not the text personal name. Text cap character. Characters. So hints comes from strings, no hardcode text. IFSC is uppercase, text all caps helps, and input type text cap character nudges the keyboard. And then set the max line set max line 1, then Android single line, Android single line set true. Then Android text all cap, all caps set true, and then last Android autofill hint. Hints backslash. So let's add the button, the user tab. Let's write the button. First add the ID. Okay, then set width wrap content, and height wrap content. Then minimum height, let's add Let's say the Android minimum height is 48 dp. Then Android layout gravity, let's set the gravity cavity centered horizontal. Let's set the, I want to set the horizontal. Then Android margin top 25 dp. And Android text yes. Then Android text all caps, all caps false. This is our button set. So in this button, wrap content keeps the button compact. Then layout gravity center horizontal centers it in the column. Okay. Then let's set the text view. Let's make text view. Let's set our first ID. Then first Android layout width. This automatically show you Android width match parent. Then Android height wrap center. Then Android margin top. Let's set margin top 20 dp. Then Android. Then I want to set the margin start. Set 32 dp. And Android layout margin and set 32 dp. Okay. Then Android padding. Set 10 dp. Then Android text. Your detail goes here. Goes here. Then Android text size. I want to set 20 sp. But before that, Android text alignment, I want to set the text alignment. I want to set alignment view start, and then Android all cap. text all cap false. Okay, so this is how we set our text view. Okay, so we set that text view. Okay, so this will show bank branch address etc, sp unit, respect user, font settings, and finally close the layout. So we close the layout. How you can close that? So put all user visible text in string XML. So in the string XML, I already made it because I already made this app before. So Android recommends no hard-coded strings. I will keep all text here, including the formatted multi-line result string, so I don't concatenate in code. Okay, so you need to copy these. You take the screenshot of these and just match that in your laptop. Okay, how you can open these? So open you can open from app, then goes the src, then goes the main and res, then you can see the value here and go to the string.xml. So here you want to add this all stuff, you have to check that. Okay, then I want to just make that so in this string.xml you see here that the branch address, so these through these 7 are placeholders from string. For string we will fill from API response. This avoids messy string concatenation and is translation friendly. Okay, so make sure that we need to give the Android permission. So how you can give that? Like open the app, then go to the src, then go main and go manifest.xml, and here two quick things: internet permission and a safe theme that won't crash. Okay, so add permission above application. Add the permission, like you need to enter this user permission, Android name, Android permission dot internet. So it's give you the permission of access the internet. Then use material 3 theme for both app and activity, application and activity. Material 3, you need to add this. You have to make sure that material 3 dot day night dot no action bar, so it is safe for not crashing your application. So without the internet permission and network calls fail, using a built-in themes, avoid app keeps stopping at a launch. Okay, then see the dependencies via version catalog, type and explain. Okay, the Gradle library version.toml, you have to open that. Just go to the Gradle, then you can see here libs version.xml. So I will declare version once and reuse them. We need AppCompat, material and Volley. You can see here the AppCompat, like activity compose, then compose bomb and Volley. AppCompat and material, you need to add these stuff: activity KTs, Material, AppCompat, and Volley. Okay. Then open app gradle activity.kts, and here you need to add some implementation. In plugin, say keep a Android application plus Kotlin Android. This plugin Android and Kotlin. Then in Android, while check lines, namespace matches my package, compile target set, Java Kotlin toolchain at 17 to match modern GPA. Okay. Then in dependencies, you need to type this implementation library Volley, then implementation libraries Android AppCompat, and implementation libraries materials, and implementation library .androidx activity.ktx. If it's not there, you need to add this. So this brings in activity UI basics, AppCompat and material, and network Volley. So Volley is the network, and the KTX library gives Kotlin friendly helpers. And click sync now. Okay. Then build and run the blank screen. You can run that. Build, go to the build, then clean project, and it takes some time. Run on emulator. If internet doesn't work in emulator, toggle aeroplane mode. Cold boost the AVD or set DNS 8.8.8.8 in device manager. UI and setup are done. You can see here. So it's starting up here. It takes some time. You can see here it's building here, so it takes some time. It's downloading everything. So let's see. Visuals is started mobile. So nice, we built the base of our app today. We made the XML screens, add our text in string.xml, turn on internet permission, set a safe theme, and sync the needed libraries. So you can see your, like, if you open this, you can see your app, and you can open from that. It not open because we need to add something. Yeah, it's not open right now because we need to make this main.activity kitty that will I will show you in the video too. So the app open with no crash. That our foundation. In part 2, we will write the Kotlin code to fetch the bank details and show them on screen. So if this helped, please like the video, drop any question in the comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my video, this part 2. See you there. It's open after when we put our code in the main.activity. See you there in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.